Alright guys, welcome to the Thursday directions video. Pretty simple day today, just kind of working our way through chapter 3 still. Um, we're kind of switching gears a little bit and not really focusing so much on culture today, but going to be kind of looking at political geography. And because that obviously has a little bit to say with your culture of your, let's say your country, because, if we think about America and democracy, it's a little bit different than like communism or like in North Korea. All right, so that obviously your political outlook of your country is going to impact the culture. So today here, we're just going to kind of read through this section of the book. Types of government. This was going to be a big part of the reading. I'm going to do a PowerPoint little lecture tomorrow on the types of government. So obviously you know that these are going to be on the quiz. They're really important. So make sure you know them and got them down in your brain. So when the quiz comes, you'll be good to go. We're going to look at a couple of different things as well. You're going to want to know the national boundaries and kind of some different features like, natural boundaries and things like that. Like this one right here is also really important. So just kind of read through this, guys. It's not very complicated. It's pretty short too, which is nice. For this one now, there's no worksheet that goes with it, so we're just going to answer the questions in the back of the book, so you can lay out your Google Doc as I guess you can lay it out as any way you want for the most part. Here's the ones we're going to answer. We're going to answer all of number 1. So make sure you have all these terms down, because again, we will see these on the quiz. For part 2 here, we're not going to do any of it. Okay, so skip 2, skip taking notes. We're going to answer all of 3, so we'll have 3A, 3B, and 3C. And then for part 4, this is just a simple short answer question, so we're going to do this one as well. So do 1, do 3, and do 4. You can lay out your Google Doc answers any way you want. I'll figure it out as you go, but we should be good to go. So that being said, today is our last assignment for Chapter 4. All right. On Friday, tomorrow, I'm going to lecture on a lot of the types of governments, kind of go through that to make sure we have that down. Next Monday, we'll review. I think I'm going to have flashcards up. Maybe not. We'll see. Otherwise, you guys will just be able to review your notes. And on Tuesday, we'll have a quiz, and it'll obviously be an online quiz, and I'll put that out there on Tuesday for us. All right? So next Tuesday, we'll wrap up Chapter 4. If you have any questions, guys, email me. I'll try to email it back as fast as I can. If you need to schedule a 1v1 Google Meet, just let me know. Via email, I'll set one up, and we can kind of discuss a time for that. Other than that, guys, good luck reading and answering the questions, and I will see you guys tomorrow.